In the kaleidoscope of holistic wellness practices, crystal healing emerges as a captivating and ancient art, offering a unique bridge between the earthly and the ethereal. With roots deeply embedded in various cultures and traditions throughout history, the use of crystals for healing has experienced a resurgence in popularity in recent times. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into Crystal Healing 101, unraveling the mysteries behind harnessing the energy of crystals for mind, body, and spirit alignment. The foundations of crystal healing. Ancient origins. The use of crystals for healing dates back thousands of years, with evidence found in ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese. Crystals were not only admired for their aesthetic beauty, but also revered for their purported metaphysical properties. Understanding crystal energy. At the heart of crystal healing is the belief that crystals possess unique vibrational frequencies that interact with the energy fields of the human body. This interaction is thought to bring about positive shifts in energy, promoting balance and harmony. Varieties of crystals. The world of crystals is vast and diverse, with each type carrying its own set of energies and properties. From the calming influence of amethyst to the grounding nature of hematite, exploring the characteristics of different crystals is an essential aspect of crystal healing. Crystal selection and placement, intuition and connection. Selecting crystals often involves an intuitive process. Many practitioners believe that individuals are naturally drawn to the crystals that resonate with their energy needs. Trusting your intuition when choosing crystals is key to a meaningful connection. Chakras and energy centers. Understanding the correlation between crystals and the body's energy centers, or chakras, is fundamental to effective crystal healing. Placing crystals on specific chakras is believed to facilitate the flow of energy and address imbalances. Programming intentions. Crystals are thought to respond to intention. Before use, practitioners often program crystals with specific intentions or affirmations, enhancing their ability to align with the desired energy. Popular crystals and their healing properties. Amethyst. Properties: calming and protective. Uses: often used for promoting relaxation, relieving stress, and enhancing spiritual connection. Rose quartz. Properties: unconditional love and compassion. Uses: favored for matters of the heart, promoting self-love, emotional healing, and harmonious relationships. Clear quartz. Properties: amplification and clarity. Uses: known as a versatile crystal, it is believed to enhance energy, focus, and clarity of thought. Citrine. Properties: abundance and joy. Uses: often associated with prosperity and happiness, citrine is used for manifesting positive outcomes and attracting success. Black tourmaline. Properties: grounding and protective. Uses: employed for grounding excess energy, enhancing mental focus, and providing protection against negative influences. Selenite. Properties: cleansing and purifying. Uses: regarded as an excellent tool for clearing energy blockages, selenite is often used to cleanse other crystals and spaces. Incorporating crystals into your routine, meditation, and contemplation. Utilize crystals during meditation to deepen the practice and enhance spiritual connection. Holding or placing crystals nearby can create a sacred space for introspection. Crystal grids. Create intricate crystal grids by arranging crystals in geometric patterns. This method is believed to amplify the collective energy of the crystals, addressing specific intentions or goals. Wearing crystal jewelry. Adorn yourself with crystal jewelry to carry the energy of the stones throughout the day. Crystals such as amethyst, citrine, or rose quartz are commonly fashioned into jewelry for both aesthetic and energetic purposes. Crystal elixirs. Infuse water with the energy of crystals by placing them in or around a water container. While drinking the crystal-infused water, it is believed that you absorb the vibrational properties of the crystals. Scientific perspectives on crystal healing. While crystal healing has deep roots in spiritual and metaphysical traditions, it's essential to acknowledge varying perspectives. Scientifically, crystals are recognized for their unique structures and vibrational properties, but claims about their specific healing effects may not always align with empirical evidence. Mind-body-spirit alignment. Through crystal healing, emotional balance, crystal healing aims to harmonize emotions by addressing energetic imbalances. Whether it's the soothing energy of amethyst or the heart-opening properties of rose quartz, crystals are thought to contribute to emotional well-being. Mental clarity. Clear quartz, known for its amplifying and clarifying properties, is believed to enhance mental focus and concentration. Crystal healing advocates often turn to clear quartz to support mental clarity and decisiveness. Spiritual connection. Many practitioners use crystals to deepen their spiritual practices. Whether it's selenite for its purifying qualities or amethyst for its association with higher consciousness, crystals can serve as tools for spiritual exploration. Physical vitality. Some crystal enthusiasts believe that the energy of certain crystals can contribute to physical vitality. Whether it's the grounding influence of black tourmaline or the energizing nature of citrine, crystals are incorporated into routines to enhance overall well-being. Crystal Healing 101 unveils the captivating world of crystals, offering insights into their historical significance, diverse properties, and potential benefits for mind, body, and spirit alignment. While crystal healing may evoke varying perspectives, the essence of this practice lies in the personal journey of exploration and connection with the energies of the earth. As you embark on your crystal healing journey, may the vibrant hues and subtle vibrations of these ancient allies guide you toward a path of holistic wellness and self-discovery.